Hello and welcome to Unicorn Week. Today we're making unicorn pencil holders. For this craft you'll need scissors, markers, a pencil, different colored paper, a glue stick, tape, and a jar. I'm using an old salsa jar that I washed and peeled the label off of. So to start out, we're going to lay the jar on top of a piece of paper and mark the paper with our pencil. It's almost like we're making our own new label for the jar. Cut the strip of paper so that it fits nicely around the jar. Earlier, I cut out the shape of a horn with some cardboard in my recycling. I'm going to glue down 2 pieces of construction paper to the front and back of the cardboard so that the horn will stand up straight and be a little bit sturdier. Then I'm going to draw a unicorn face on my paper. I decided to just do some eyes and a teeny bit of blush with colored pencils. Now I'm going to glue down the horn and some flowers that I cut out of construction paper. Alright, now we can tape this to the jar. It's a little bit tricky, so ask your grown-up for help if you need it. My cat is helping me. I'm also going to add a strip of tape around the bottom so that it'll stay on better. Now you can make some adjustments and you can add some more decorations. If you have glitter or anything sparkly, I definitely recommend adding it to your design. Once you're done, just add some of your pencils and whatnot, and there you go. You've made yourself a unicorn pencil holder.